Hello friends, welcome back. Previous video we learned how to make sarson ka saag in dhaba style. So today I'm going to show you how to make makki ki roti. Makki ka atta is maize flour. Usually that is very difficult to handle, so we always add little bit of wheat flour or some other flour so that we are able to roll it out properly. But today I'm going to show you some tips on how to make it without the addition of wheat flour so that it's completely gluten free. So watch the video till the end. I hope you like the video. Do share my videos with your friends if you like them, and also new members, do subscribe to my channel. So now without waiting, let's go and make the makki ki roti. These are the ingredients. We'll require makki ka atta, maize flour 1 cup, ghee as required, green garlic about 1 tablespoon, radish greens handful, or you can even use mustard leaves, radish 1 radish grated finely, salt to taste, little bit of ajwain. I've taken green chili pickle. You could use green chilies also instead. The pickle gives a nice taste to it. Take a large bowl to mix the dough. First put the radish, finely grated radish, spread it and sprinkle some salt over it, as much as you need for the roti dough. Now we'll leave it, set it aside, cover it for 10 minutes so that the radish will leave out water, and we are going to knead the dough in this. You can see so much water has come out of it. This really will enhance the flavor. Now add the makki ka atta, maize flour 1 cup. Spread it out, make a hole and sprinkle some about 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain and the greens, radish greens, green garlic. In winter you get this lovely green garlic. You can add it to many dishes. This is the chili pickle. You try adding chili pickle, it really gives a very good flavor to makki ki roti. Instead of finely chopped green chilies, I've added the pickle. Mix everything together nicely. Add a little bit of ghee, or you can add some oil also for the moin. Now add little by little water and knead the dough. Don't add too much because the water is already there from the radish. Take few tablespoons at a time and knead the dough. So now the dough is almost getting done. In this dough, if you have seen, because of the addition of radish, we have not added wheat flour. Usually people add a little bit of wheat flour for binding. The radish is going to bind the rotis. You can see the thread-like consistency of the radish, grated radish. This will become a binding agent. It will keep the dough from breaking. Now the dough is ready. We are going to make the rotis. take out a small portion. This quantity makes about 5 rotis. Smoothen it very nicely. Spread some dry flour. Now roll it out. This way it becomes easier. You will see that the roti is not even breaking too much. Normally it is very difficult to roll this flour. Makai ka atta keeps breaking. Now the roti is ready to go. Brush some water on the roti before putting it on the griddle. Do the same on the other side as well. You can use a brush or do it with a hand the traditional way. This will prevent the cracks on the roti and you'll get a smooth texture. Spoon a little ghee in between. Now flip the side. A little ghee on this side as well. Keep flipping the roti couple of times so that it's done evenly. Be liberal with ghee because these rotis are better with lot of ghee applied on them. The day you are making sarson ka saag and makki ki roti, you should be liberal with the ghee to get the real authentic taste. Now the roti is almost getting done. Remove it and put the rotis in a napkin so that they remain softer. I've got 5 rotis from this 1 cup of atta. Keep them covered until you serve. Now here I have served them with sarson ka saag. You can see the recipe. I have shared the link in the description box. These rotis are gluten free as we have not added any wheat flour to the dough. So make and enjoy them. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you.